There are a number of different chainsaws available, including fuel-powered, electric and battery-operated chainsaws. This program will concentrate mainly on the fuel-powered type of chainsaw, but essentially the safety and operational considerations are very much the same for the various types. The main components of a chainsaw are the two-stroke engine. When active, the engine drives the chain around the guide bar at the high speeds required for cutting. The guide bar. A guide bar consists of a track and hardened rails around which the chain travels. The rails must be even and parallel to ensure straight and accurate cutting. Guide bars fall into two basic categories. The sprocket nose guide bar, which is most widely used as it has less kickback reaction and the chain travels more freely. And the solid nose guide bar, which is used for cutting large timber. The saw chain. A saw chain is an endless chain that travels around the guide bar. The drive sprocket. A drive sprocket